How to share FaceApp results to Instagram. First of all, open FaceApp and apply your desired filter or effect to a photo. Once you are happy with the result, tap the Save button at the top right corner to save the edited photo to your device. After saving, FaceApp will show sharing options. Tap on the Instagram icon directly if it appears, or choose Share and then select Instagram from the list of available apps. You can now choose to post a photo to your Instagram feed or story depending on how you want to share it. Add your caption, hashtags or tags as you like, then tap Share to publish it on Instagram. If you don't see Instagram in the share options, make sure the Instagram app is installed and logged in on your device. Now you know how to share FaceApp results to Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.